Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
I'm back in Virginia at the 100-mile highway sale. I found a vendor that was setting up that buys storage units, and he said he has a whole stack of video games. So let's see what he has. What's up?
I the 2 people.
Oh, did you?
You got the game stuff? Nah, I ain't got
Oh, gotcha.
I ain't got
Throw it on out in the highway, let the train trail on
Yeah.
the top of it.
What do you have on that?
How about the vintage Redskins?
Yeah.
$3.
$3, okay.
$3. Where's that leg?
What's something like that even go for? Hey, before I forget, let me pay for this hat. Pay for the hat before I forget.
Oh, yeah.
Because what's going to happen is we're going to be talking, I'll buy something else and not pay you for it. So, want to make sure to take care of that. Oh, you got more cards?
Yeah, no, that's oh yeah, it is something in there.
Your number one customer. You need some more cards, ain't it, ball?
Yeah. When I saw him put this tote down, I knew I had to get over there and take a look at it. This is stuff I love. It's a bunch of lunch boxes from the 1980s. We have masks, we have Star Wars, there's Cabbage Patch Kids in here, just a whole collection of stuff. This takes me back to my childhood. I love picking stuff like this up. What do you have on this one here, then? With just the, I don't want this thing.
The cards, you don't want the awesome puzzle? I had a Mr. T with this, but I said, nah, I'm keeping that. We got the big massy Star Wars.
Yeah.
How about with the cards, how about $20?
Okay. I'll put it off the side, we'll make a pile. Yeah, okay. Oh.
I gotta have at least 100 for that. Yes, ma'am. You do lives?
Yeah.
Well, like at home?
Yeah.
Like unboxing?
Yep.
You got a green screen and all that?
Not a green screen, no. I just go on camera and do it.
Okay.
I was gonna put all this stuff in a tote, and then you just tell me the price of a tote.
You gonna make it work?
Yeah. Saw this suitcase at the corner of my eye. Now I know this was a cassette tape holder, so I was hoping to find a bunch of rock or metal cassettes in here. Unfortunately, there wasn't a lot. I did pick up this Sticks one. I'm just gonna throw it in my pile. Hopefully he'll just include it with whatever I buy, or maybe charge me 25 cents or something for it. By the time he found the other totes full of video games, more people started showing up. So me and this gentleman were actually digging through this tote, trying to be respectful, let him grab stuff so I can grab some stuff along the way. I did find all these handhelds in here. Unfortunately, a lot of them were damaged or broken, but you could still sell those for parts. I'm hoping to find some good games in here, so let's see what we find.
Look in there, make sure they're in there. Are you gonna want this?
You can have it. Or are you talking to him? That's okay. I use them as replacement cases.
Oh, yeah. M&M.
Hey, Mike. Mike. You want cowboy boots?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Get that. There we go. Get down the bottom, get down the bottom. Switch.
Huh? Ring the switch.
Throw it in my pile and I'll give it to you.
Huh?
Throw it in my pile and I'll just give it to you. Can we give you a hand, man, unloading this for you?
Nah,
you sure?
yeah.
All right, so we got the lunch boxes underneath.
Yeah.
And then some of these games are missing some of these cases are missing. Yeah. So, what do you? It's not.
I swear somebody else. Oh, that was your partner that picked that up. He dove in on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
No, you get the lunch boxes then on the bottom there.
Did they pick that up?
They got the rest of the games over there, so not a big deal, man.
Yeah.
Share the wealth, you know what I mean?
What did I say on the lunch boxes?
20 on the lunch boxes. And I already paid for this, for the 3 for this.
For what?
I paid for that already. So you gotta just give me a price for the game stuff.
Oh, you got all, I'm gonna tell you those broke.
You what, Nintendo Wii?
Yeah. No. The
Yeah, that's fine.
one of them works.
Yeah.
One of them on Read Games. One of them halfway
that's fine.
works.
I use them for parts, you know what I mean? If I get them cheap, I just use them for parts.
This one works fine.
Okay.
It's just got the hinges.
Oh, yeah.
But
So
if you're a parts man, you know.
Yeah.
How about 100 for everything?
100 for everything? Okay.
Yeah.
That's fair. Let's do it. You lied. All right, what do you want for this?
Don't look in here. Don't look in here.
Okay. How much more do I owe you? Just let me know.
And this, you don't want those. This has the stamp. That's the U.
U.
Yeah.
What do you want for all that with the U?
I can't do the U.
Oh, you can't do the U? Okay.
I can't do the U. It's
Okay.
my son wanted
Oh,
it,
yeah,
so,
no problem.
Yeah,
Does this work?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right,
my kids test them all.
This
for
one
me.
looks like it probably doesn't work. That one probably doesn't
I don't
work.
know. It's missing the back door
Yeah,
on it, and the battery is
but this is busted off.
That's
It's busted.
I want to say it did work.
Okay.
I usually don't bring them out here if they don't.
Yeah.
Unless I know for a fact.
Yeah.
How about 40 for that? You the
Thank you,
man.
man. All right. Thank you. If you've never been to a highway sale before, they're pretty crazy. You just drive down the street and you'll find these random empty fields filled with vendors. There were people that are flea market vendors, resellers, or people that just want to be a weekend warrior and set up for that weekend. But there's stuff for miles upon miles. How you doing today?
What's going this morning?
How much are your hats?
That one got priced under the brim. Got 8 on that one. That is an NFL hat.
Yeah.
That's the most offensive display you'll ever see in a flea market.
There you go.
Confederate caps, Redskin caps, and then to piss off conservatives, I got the UVA caps.
There you go.
I got everybody covered.
You got everyone covered.
I got everybody. What is that? equal opportunity offender.
That's right. Excuse me. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, and it does talk. You push the backpack on the back, and it lifts up the arm. I don't know that I've ever seen another Indiana Jones action figure.
Oh, I love that. That's cool. I love this Indiana Jones figure. Unfortunately, they don't go for much. I thought it was going to go for a lot more. They're selling online for like 12 to 15 bucks. They went at 10 bucks for it, so I just decided to pass. How you doing, man?
I'm bringing up more hunting clothes now.
Okay.
My boys said when we get up, come up here and watch and leave.
Yeah.
I got a whole another tote of hunting clothes.
Is that PS3?
It ain't something wrong with it. It'll come on and run. I'm gonna be straight up with it. I'll give it away if somebody knows how to repair them.
Yeah.
We done tried and tried. You got 3, 4 of them.
Gotcha. Video games? Any other video game stuff?
Nope. We had some Xbox One and a bunch of games, and that was the first thing that went this morning.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
People know about going on to the YouTube and if there's a little something wrong with them, the
Yeah.
green screen or the black screen.
Yeah, fix
They
it.
quick fixes now, so even the old ones now that the kids done had thrown away or whatever is worth money now.
Yeah, yeah, no, I hear you. All right, man, good luck on your sale.
All right, yep.
Who's that back there? See the colors. Is this your stuff?
Sure.
How much? How much is this?
Give me $4 for it.
$4, huh?
Is it worth $4?
Let me see what else is in here first. NFL polos do really well for me. Unfortunately, this one has some damage, so I decided to pass on it. How you guys doing today? Doing great. How much are your DVDs? $1. Keep an eye out for 4K DVDs. They do sell well on eBay. This one usually goes for about 10 to 15 bucks. Unfortunately, it's missing the second disc, so I'm going to pass on this one. That's okay. Thank you. What do you have on this stuff, the PlayStation? I'd like to apologize. We're next to the highway and the wind's bad here, so I'm not sure if you heard him, but he said 150 bucks for everything.
50 a piece. 50. Are you interested in that PS4? For $100.
Do you know if it works?
Oh yeah, it definitely works. I want to go right now for $100.
Let me see what model it is. For those that do a lot of stuff in video games, there's different size consoles. So what you want to do is flip it over, look at the model number, search that online. It will let you know what model it is and the size of the memory inside. Depending on the model of it, can actually bring a big price difference when it comes to these. 15B. I have to see what model that is. 70. 15. This is a PS4 Pro. This is actually one of the better models, and we'll bring a premium.
Are you buying that?
I think so.
How about $8?
How much?
8?
All right.
Pick up battery.
Yeah, I got you.
This goes with it too, right?
Yeah. Does that go with it? Because that's for the VR.
Put it in there.
Okay.
Take another one.
I'm okay on that one there. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm confident it's going to work. I really am. Anything there? Help yourself with anything there.
Yeah. I'll give you the 100. I'll take the risk.
Believe me, you're going to be all right.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, it's not going to fit, but we can make it.
Okay. All right, man. Thank you very much.
No, thank you, man. This was an awesome find. One of the vendors close by to him told me that he had cards last year. I saw the guy pull in. I walked up, asked him if he had any sports cards. I ended up buying a massive collection from him for like $300. Go watch that video on my Pick and Punching card channel. It has like 40,000 views. It's incredible, the collection I got from him. Put the cards back in my truck and I walked back over. And then he told me he had a bunch of video games, other vintage items. Said he buys out storage units and he's just been stockpiling the stuff waiting for the 100-mile sale. And man, did it pay off. I will be running those lunchboxes next week live on Dibdit. So come over, hang out during my auctions. I start everything at $1. And then he's just started pulling out all the video game stuff. The only bad thing was more people started pulling up and started hanging out there. So by the time he pulled out the other video game stuff, there was other resellers there. So I ended up splitting the tub with some other guy. He took half of it, I took the other half. Which is super cool because I've been in situations where people just try to grab the whole tote from someone else and take off with it. So it was nice that we can be respectful to each other and split up the items. Then as I was going to pay, he started unloading the back of his trailer and pulled out a PS4 and some other additional items. And you could just see the people behind me just watching it unfold. Unfortunate for them that I was the first one there and that he gave me first dibs and everything, which is super cool because I asked for video game stuff. That guy was an awesome seller. We'll still have a couple more videos from this trip. It was the gift that keeps on giving. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. We are less than 500 subs away from 25,000. I would love to hit that by the end of July if possible. Make sure you guys check out my Dibit auctions next week. I will be going live, selling a ton of Star Wars, Disney, lunchboxes, video game stuff. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.